Friends, once again, a very good morning, good children. I have come back for our second lesson of the week, and we are still proceeding with our third topic, which is living things. And as I had told you earlier on, we are looking at basically plants. And in our first lesson, we mentioned examples of plants that do exist on our compound or in the community where we come from. So, we want now to look at a structure of a plant. And my good children, I would like you to be very, very attentive and get the concept about plants. Since we gave examples of plants, let us now look at the structure of a plant. This structure of a plant, it can even be a plant like a mango, it can even be a guava plant, it can even be a cocoa plant, it can even be an orange plant. Now, straight away, we are now giving or naming parts of a plant. And what we see here, this part of a plant, it is called flower. Okay? And then this part here, this part which move upwards, this part, it is known as stem. And then this part, it's known as leaf. And then this part here, it's known as bud. People are even wondering, a bud? What is a bud? I'm not meaning the other bud which flies in air. I am meaning this part of a plant that develops within the internode of a plant. When I say an internode, internode means a part of a plant that develops between the branch of a plant. When I talk about a branch of a plant, I mean this part in between. There is a branch which is growing facing that side, and even there is also another branch moving upwards. Now, a part of a plant that develops between the two branches on a plant, that part, it is referred to as bud. And this bud here can also develop into another new plant. Okay, good children? So now, at least we have now learned the three main parts of a plant. I say the three main parts of a plant. We have a flower, we have a stem, okay, we have a leaf, and then we are including a bud because it also develops into a new plant, and it develops in a region between two branches. Then what you see under the ground, when you happen to touch on a plant or to find a plant which is growing in the community, which is growing in the compound, the root system you can't see. You can only see the root system when you have uprooted the plant itself. So now this is our ground level, the earthly surface, and then roots are fixed underneath the earthly surface. And then this system, we call it root system. The system which is found underground, the surface, it is root system. Then the system which is shown above the underground, the system which is found above the ground, we call it shoot system. My good children, I understand you are getting what I'm trying to say here. That the system that it is found above the ground, we call it shoot system. And then the system of a plant that you can't see when a plant is standing under the ground. That system, you only see it when you have uprooted a plant, and we call it root system, meaning that it is found under the ground. Good children, do you have any question from there? If you have a question, you are going to call on my number, which is 0789293456. And exercise, I'm going to attach it to the handout that you are going to pick from school. So my good children, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell any guardian to come around and pick this work together with activity, which you are going to bring back after answering it for marking. Bye-bye.